Oh, that's cool.
Oh. Practice. I got the whole thing. That's right. Oh, yeah. Damn, dude. Oh, yeah. It has become the teacher. Yes, sensei.
Right over there, dude.
That's impressive.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
He tightened it up, didn't he?
Oh, he did. Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Oh yeah.
Like a surgeon.
Dang,
Yeah,
dude.
he don't get laid tonight.
He didn't have that. He didn't have that, and he couldn't see shit.
Hey,
That's true.
I hope you boys want a little brother. That's a power dude. Shuck.
Yeah, that's an open house right there, bro. I think your dad left to go get his car.
Oh, did he?
Yes.
You know the distance. You knew the distance.
Oh, I do it cut and tight.
Oh, okay. All right. It's good, dude. We lost you. We thought you were Dollar General.
You know what? I had after the second loop, I had a notion to go out on the road and
Yeah?
just keep doing it. That would have been better. Well, we could do that.
We thought you left
Just like that,
business,
Chuck got
bro.
his eye.